Today, we're diving into the exciting world of infinite zoom. You might be thinking, won't I lose quality as I zoom? Well, I'm here to show you how to achieve stunning, quality-preserving infinite zoom using the power of Midjourney 5.2. So sit tight, get comfortable, and let's zoom into this tutorial. We'll embark on an exploration that transcends traditional boundaries, demonstrating how to create breathtaking infinite zoom visuals while maintaining pristine quality. So gear up and let's get this journey started. Get ready to embark on a creative journey with Midjourney 5.2. Starting with a close-up of an impressionist painting showcasing thick brushstrokes in a smoky hazel color, I set the stylization to 1000 and the aspect ratio to 1:1, allowing for AI's creative freedom to shine through. The AI presented me with 4 distinct images, from which I selected and upscaled image number 2. Continuing this creative exploration, I engaged the zoom out feature to delve deeper into the painting. Once again, I was presented with 4 unique images, and I chose to upscale image number 2. Not quite satisfied, I re-rolled and landed on an impressive image 4, which I then upscaled for a better view. Next, the journey took a turn as I tweaked the parameters to focus on an oil painting with thick brush strokes in the smoky hazel color. I set the stylization to 100, reduced the AI's creative freedom, and increased the zoom to 2. After re-rolling, I found myself intrigued by image 3, upscaled it, and proceeded to zoom out. This time, I wanted to give the AI a challenge, so I specified parameters for an extreme close-up of a cat's pupil and iris, reducing the stylization to 10 and retaining the aspect ratio and zoom. Following a re-roll, I altered the parameters to bring a hyper-realistic 4K extreme close-up of a black cat's eyes into focus. The creativity truly shone here, as I chose an upscaled image 1 for a breathtaking view. Next, I let the AI take the creative lead, setting parameters for a close-up of an alien's face in hyper-realistic 4K, with the stylization cranked back up to 1000. Among the AI-generated options, image 3 stood out, and I upscaled it to better appreciate the intricate details. Finally, I took the creative journey to a whole new level, setting the parameters to bring an alien in front of the California State Capitol into view, maintaining the hyper-realistic 4K quality. Image 3 stole the show once again, which I upscaled to wrap up this exciting creative voyage. Remember, the beauty of this process is that it's repeatable. You can continue to tweak parameters, re-roll, and upscale as much as you want to achieve your desired effect. The possibilities with Midjourney 5.2 are truly infinite. Happy journeying!